How did DOMA affect same-sex marriage rights? Imagine planning a wedding, only to find out the government doesn't recognize your marriage. That was the reality for many same-sex couples before the year 2013. The Defense of Marriage Act, or DOMA, was passed in 1996 and changed everything for queer love in the United States. It defined marriage at the federal level as a union between one man and one woman. That meant even if a couple married in a state that recognized same-sex marriage, the federal government wouldn't acknowledge their union. This created a lot of hurdles for couples trying to access benefits like Social Security, survivors' benefits, immigration rights for foreign spouses, and filing taxes jointly. It also meant that many couples couldn't get health insurance through government programs or access federal financial. DOMA also allowed states to refuse to recognize marriages performed elsewhere, which meant a same-sex couple married in a state that allowed it could still be denied recognition in other states. This patchwork of laws made it hard for couples to plan for their future or build families. Non-biological parents in same-sex relationships faced legal barriers when it came to custody, adoption, or making medical decisions for their children. Military spouses of service members also faced discrimination, losing access to health benefits, housing allowances, and legal support that opposite-sex spouses received. The law reinforced negative stereotypes and social stigma by suggesting that same-sex relationships were less valid. Many LGBTQ+ couples felt the weight of discrimination and legal challenges during major life stages like marriage and parenthood. Supporters argued DOMA was based on outdated ideas about family and marriage, and opponents saw it as a form of discrimination. In 2013, the Supreme Court struck down DOMA's Section 3, which was the part that defined marriage federally as between a man and a woman. This decision, called United States v. Windsor, was a turning point. It restored federal recognition to same-sex marriages, allowing couples to access the same benefits as opposite-sex couples. This ruling helped pave the way for nationwide marriage equality and made a big difference in how queer love is supported and recognized. It meant that during major life stages like marriage, parenting, and caregiving, same-sex couples could finally enjoy legal protections and social acceptance that had been denied for so long. Understanding how DOMA impacted rights shows us how far we've come and why ongoing efforts for full equality are so important.